Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix file format not supported on WhatsApp status. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check if the file is corrupted or not, and once you do that, check the file extension as well. Sometimes the extension might vary because WhatsApp only uses MP4 type support, so the file extension is different. Simply change the file extension. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is check for updates on your app store for WhatsApp, right? Simply type in WhatsApp and here tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Check to see if your app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are having, so just simply update it to the latest version. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is go to your settings app and here tap on general, and now all you gotta do is tap on iPhone storage and then tap on WhatsApp, tap on offload app, and once you do this, what this does is it clears any caches that is present in the app and fixes any bugs that is present in the app as well. And now after this, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall app, and once that process is complete, try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.